Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to showcase my brand and some of the amazing products we have in our shop. First up, let's talk about our homemade natural face soaps. These soaps are made with a variety of natural ingredients, such as morena, charcoal, turmeric, and olive oil. We've carefully selected these ingredients to ensure they work together to promote healthy, glowing skin. Our soaps are made with oils and butter, such as shea butter, coconut oil, and sweet almond oil, and they're infused with essential oils to further enhance their skin-loving properties. Moving on to our scented candles. These are designed to provide a relaxing atmosphere and help you unwind after a long day. We've got a range of scents to choose from, so you can find the perfect one to suit your mood. Now, let's talk about our special candles. These candles are perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or baby shower. We've got a variety of designs to choose from, so you can find the perfect one to match the theme of your event. Finally, we've got our wax melts. These are perfect for those who love to scent their homes without the hassle of a candle. We've got a range of scents to choose from, so you can find the perfect one to match your personal preferences. That's it for today's